Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you are facing a problem with your iPhone, if you are not hearing the call clearly through your earpiece, or if you put the call on speaker still is not the same as normal, or if your mic is not working perfect, it may be the cause of dust or some stubborn dirt inside. For that, you don't need to go to the repair shop. You can do it at your home and don't need to spend some money on that. Okay. All you need the gasoline, oil or petrol, whatever you call it, and a paintbrush with very fine and thin hairs like that. You can see. You can use any brush like this. All you need to do like this, just pour a single drop of the petrol, and after that you abruptly rub it with the brush, but gently do it. I'm going to show you. Like that. After that I just brush it with like this. And clean the remaining petrol. After that you check it. If it worked for you, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Take care.